in our quest for unraveling or unveiling the matrix. Once again, in our quest for unraveling or unveiling the matrix, I have previously addressed the concept of Maya. The word Maya actually is related to the word matrix. I've mentioned this before. Maya, mother, mata, matrika, matter, meter, measurement, music. These are the elements that conscious agents use to project experience. So, elaborating on that, let's explore some ideas that I may have shared before, but let's explore them once again with your indulgence from many other perspectives. So here's the first idea. Time has no tangible existence. Number one. Number two, matter has no tangible existence. Both mind and matter are fluctuating experiences of sensations in consciousness. They are fluctuating, intermittent experiences in consciousness and inherently have no independent existence as they are modulations of consciousness in consciousness. So let's explore this, okay? The nature of existence and understanding of space and time, and also that which we call matter. What I'm saying is a radical shift in our understanding of time, matter, and consciousness. From this perspective, what we perceive as tangible reality is actually a fluctuating experience within consciousness itself. The idea that time has no tangible existence aligns also with non-dual philosophies. These traditions argue that our conventional understanding of time as a linear progression from past to future is an illusion created by the human mind. Instead, there is only one eternal, never-ending now, what we call the eternal now. And what we perceive as the flow of time is actually a series of fluctuating experiences in the eternal now. Similarly, the concept that matter has no tangible existence as independent from consciousness is central to this argument. What we perceive as solid objects are actually sensations interpreted by our consciousness. This idea echoes the teachings of non-dual traditions like Advaita Vedanta, which assert that the apparent duality between subject and object is ultimately an illusion. The notion that there are only fluctuating, intermittent experiences in consciousness is a cornerstone of understanding non-duality. All is one. 0 is equal to 1 is equal to infinity. 0 is equal to 1 is equal to infinity. So I know this challenges everyday scientific understanding of reality. But let's start with this point. Consciousness is the ground of all being, and that our personal realities are created through our conscious awareness. Of course, as I said, this challenges the materialist paradigm that dominates much of modern scientific thought. Instead of seeing consciousness as a product of material processes, which themselves are sensations, So instead of seeing consciousness as a product of material processes in the brain, a material object itself, these traditions, non-dual traditions, what I've emphasized in my work throughout my life, invert these relationships, proposing that matter and time are products of consciousness. And so, what we typically consider as objective reality, the world of physical objects existing in time, is in fact a shared dream or projection of consciousness. This doesn't necessarily negate the practical reality of our everyday experiences, but it does suggest that these experiences are not fundamental or real, inherently real, as we typically assume. I know these ideas may seem radical from a conventional scientific standpoint, but they resonate with some interpretations of quantum physics as well, which suggest that the act of observation plays a crucial role in determining reality. So I ask you to approach these concepts with critical thinking and recognize the underlying truth behind them. So these ideas that I'm sharing with you are an invitation to question our fundamental assumptions about the nature of reality and examine the idea that our experiences of time and matter are not separate from consciousness, but are in fact manifestations of consciousness itself. What do you think? Are we the creators of time? Are we the creators of matter? Are we the creators of the theater of space-time and causality? And so, who is this we? I suggest to you that it is 0 is equal to 1 is equal to infinity. And that is who you are. Let me know if this is useful. And of course, once again, you can engage with my digital twin at digitaldeepak.ai, and Digital Dharma will show you how to use artificial intelligence to elevate spiritual intelligence or give you access to spiritual intelligence and personal well-being. Thank you, my friends.